Welcome to Belgrade! Yes, we are here and we are in the Sun Hostel. We are in a location that's actually really centrally located. In fact, you can walk to Republic Square in 20 minutes or so walk fast. We are surrounded also with trolleys and basically many type of public transportation, so it's easy to get around. What's more about this area is there's a farmer's market, but one of the things I love about this hostel is the staff. As soon as I walk in here, they already help out any way they can. What other things is about it is there's spontaneous pub crawls and social events. On the summertime, they even have bicycle rentals and give you different tours available, help you arrange a taxi, and show you all the hidden places in this magnificent city. With that being said, let's go and check out what they have to offer here. So welcome to the common area. And this is where you can chill out in case the weather doesn't cooperate, or just come here to meet some new friends. They got lots of international and local channels you can watch. They got movies, DVDs, and also books in case you want to catch up on your readings. One of the things I love about the hostel is the internet is very consistent and fast throughout the premise. And in case you don't forget your laptop or iPad, they have a computer here for you to use. This is a fully stocked kitchen with a stove and all the utensils you need to do your own cooking. As well, they have lots of spices and oils, things that you will need. And within the fridge, there's something called help yourself bin, meaning you can take anything from that bin free of charge. Don't worry, you didn't need a morning joe because tea, coffee are free of charge 24 hours. So welcome to the lovely backyard lounge right here. What you just saw there is actually a barbecue. I'm serious, and you can actually use it to grill your own meat and stuff like that. And when you're ready and you can enjoy your meal here. This is actually what you call extended or family room because you get one queen bed and also two smaller beds. So it's perfect if you have a family or you have a group of friends who want to come and chill out in Belgrade. So no one needs to sleep on the floor. Another great thing about the rooms here is linens and towels free of charge. As well, in this room you get a nice big window to get some fresh air and of course morning sunlight. I really particularly make it hot water 24 hours so I can be home really late and still get my shower hot. So for those of you who really want to get home away from home feeling, this is the apartment is the way to go. It's actually pretty big size. This is a private living room, and that sofa has an extra guest. There's two bedrooms, each house two guests, comfortably that is. And as well, there's a kitchen that's fully stocked, which for you to use, and two terraces, one in the front and one connected to both bedrooms for you to get fresh breath of air. And as well, this apartment also have a bathtub in addition to showers. So, you've seen what they have to offer. I personally really liked it, and I think you can like it and be very comfortable here. With that being said, I hope you come and check it out, stay, and write your own reviews.